Hi, I'm Professor Vicki Toscano, and I teach in the Department of History and Political Science at Nova Southeastern University. I have a J.D. in law and a Ph.D. in philosophy, and I teach a variety of philosophy classes and legal studies classes here. One type of class I teach is applied ethics. In an applied ethics class, we have the opportunity to critically examine controversial moral issues that people are occupied with trying to understand today. Specifically, I teach biomedical ethics, I teach environmental ethics, and I teach a class called moral issues. In moral issues, we have an opportunity to examine issues like euthanasia, animal rights, the death penalty, for example, and the question we're really looking at is whether or not those acts are moral. So obviously this is a very hard question to answer, and we're going to use a variety of tools to help us answer that. So for example, we'll spend some time looking at the writings of influential philosophers. How do they understand what morality is? What makes something moral or immoral? We're also going to spend some time looking at other philosophers who have made arguments about these very moral issues. What positions do they take and how do they argue for them? And we're also going to use films and videos to help us contextualize these debates and better understand them. Really, at the end of class, what I'm hoping you're able to do is to critically evaluate arguments for the positions that you see, as well as to begin to formulate your own positions about these particular issues. And so the tools that you're going to need really are being able to read difficult and challenging materials and to use your logic ability to be able to assess arguments. Those kinds of tools are going to serve you no matter what you do after you take this class, whether it's graduate school or you start a career immediately. So I think philosophy in general is an amazing opportunity to develop the tool of critical thinking, and these classes in particular allow you to do it in ways that are fun and interesting, dealing with contemporary issues. So I hope to see you in my next class.